Welcome to the installation guide for the Milesight UG65 Semi-Industrial LoRaWAN Gateway, and this video, we will demonstrate the entire process, from unboxing to the detailed installation steps. Inside the box, you will find the UG65 device, a mounting bracket with screws, and the antennas. For scenarios requiring flexible deployment, an optional antenna extension kit is also available. For indoor installation, we recommend mounting the device approximately 3 meters above the ground. Ensure the antenna is pointing vertically upwards, is not blocked by walls or pillars, and has good signal transmission conditions. When installing on a thick pillar, the antenna must extend beyond the pillar surface and should not be close to the pole body. Install the device away from high current equipment, such as high voltage power lines, to minimize electromagnetic interference with gateway data communication. Ensure the antenna is not obstructed by metal objects. Complete coverage by metal will significantly affect the signal. Before mounting the device, we'll demonstrate the hardware installation first. Use a screwdriver to remove the protective cover. Insert the SIM card into the device if your gateway supports cellular backhaul connectivity. Connect the Ethernet cable and power cable to corresponding interfaces. For outdoor use, ensure cables pass through the waterproof silicone grommet for protection. Slid the cables into the grooves of the device. Screw the protective cover back to the device. The device supports both internal and external antenna modes. In external antenna mode, rotate the antenna into the antenna connector. If you select embedded antenna mode, no additional antenna installation is required. Just avoid mounting the device facing a wall to ensure optimal signal coverage. Moving on to the device installation and securing. Before you begin, please ensure that your installation tools and accessories are fully prepared. Installation Method 1. Wall mounting. Mark the 4 hole positions on the wall using the mounting bracket. Drill 4 holes. Insert wall plugs into the holes. Secure the mounting bracket to the wall with screws. Screw the bracket fixing screws to the back panel of device, then hang the device to the mounting bracket on the wall. After that, use the screw to lock the device firmly in place. Installation Method 2. Pole mounting. Loosen the hose clamp by turning the locking mechanism counterclockwise. Slide the clamp through the bracket and wrap it around the pole. Tighten the locking mechanism clockwise with a screwdriver. Screw the bracket fixing screws to the back panel of device, then hang the device to the mounting bracket on the pole. After that, use the screw to lock the device firmly in place. After finishing the gateway installation, you can use the built-in noise analyzer to detect the noise of every frequency channel. Based on the results, select the optimal frequency channel to ensure a stable communication environment. Enable Wi-Fi connection on your computer and connect your gateway. You can find the Wi-Fi SSID on the back of your device. The default Wi-Fi password is IoT password. After connecting to the device via Wi-Fi, open a web browser on your PC and type in the IP address 192.168.1.1 to access the web GUI. Enter the default username and password. Click Login. Click Packet Forwarder in the left navigation bar, select Radios, then click Noise Analyzer. Turn on the Noise Analyzer. Set the frequency range and frequency span. Use sweep time to run noise analysis. Setting a specific duration is recommended to automatically disable the feature, preventing long-term interference with data transmission. Click the OK button to save your settings. Noise Analyzer scans and analyzes the noise of every frequency channel. The diagram helps you analyze environmental interference and select the best deployment channel. A lower RSSI value indicates better signal quality. Select the frequency channel with the lowest average RSSI as the data transmission channel. These are all the key installation points for the UG65 LoRaWAN Gateway. Thank you for watching.